Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 and today I will show you how we can boot this tablet into recovery mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power key. From here, select power off, do it once again, and once the tablet turns off, you want to hold the power key and volume up at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. And as you can see, this will boot us into the recovery mode. Now in here you can simply tap on whichever option you want to perform. So we can restart the device from here. We can clear data, which will include format or wipe cache partition. We have update mode and also save mode. So there we go, that's about it. Now to get back to Android or Harmony OS, in this case you just select restart. This is going to initiate reboot, and once the device boots back up, it will go back to normal mode. So there we go. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.